Hey guys, we're getting ready to head over to 7-Eleven. Do some stuff over there. We got to send some money to some friends, and then we're gonna head over to probably Chow King, get a little lunch, and then just kind of do some bumming around Alaminos City. So got a few errands to run, and we're gonna go ahead and take off and go do that right now. So if you want to come along, please do so, and we'll see you when we get there. All right. What you doing, hon?
I'm going to send some money for you.
Gonna do some Gcash action?
How do you do it again? How much for the first time ko eh.
First time sending Gcash at this machine, huh?
Yeah.
So in case you don't know, we're sending money to someone inside the 7-Eleven store.
Because you don't want to do the Gcash lang.
So we're doing some Gcash action. So that's what it looks like when you send 1,000 pesos. Oh, there it went. All right, next one. Okay, we just sent the second transaction, Gcash. All right, now it's time to go pay.
She will be the one. He will be the one.
Alrighty, we just finished up in 7-Eleven, sending some Gcash money. Another cool thing about 7-Elevens here, or at least this one, ice cream cones are 15 pesos, and that's the soft serve, pretty good sized cone. Just food for thought. If you're ever running around the Philippines and you want to get an ice cream cone. Nice. Our Gcash recipients have already confirmed. That was quick. Yeah.
So where are we going first? Straight away?
Figure we'll head over towards the Nipo. You hungry at all?
I am hungry.
She's hungry. So am I.
I have a very bad headache. I tummy ache last night.
Yeah. Beautiful day. At nighttime, they set up all kinds of food stands down through here, so you can get all your street food.
They're putting up the Christmas tree.
Oh wow! Oh yeah, there it is. Christmas tree is up. Get your fucking hands off me.
I thought you see her.
No comment. When you walk in front of the Jollibee, there's this lady made up like a frickin' clown, and she's gonna try to get money from you. 20 pesos?
Yeah. Before it's 5 pesos.
She's been here forever. I've kind of gotten used to her. She's kind of like a permanent fixture here in the city, but she has a tendency to put her hands on you, and I don't like that. Anyways,
That is one of other complaints from other